In this video, we're going to talk about how to start using Gutenberg for the first time. Once you have the plugin turned on and you have the option to begin editing with the Gutenberg editor, you can click on Edit or the title of the poster page. When viewing your poster page in Gutenberg for the first time, you'll see that all of your content is blocked together in one block. And in fact, this block looks very much like the classic editor. It's actually called the classic editor block. Across the top, you'll see something that looks very similar to your traditional WYSIWYG editor and even has the button on the far right for more that will expand to show a second row of WYSIWYG options. In this interface, you can continue to use WordPress as you normally would to do small things like changes to capitalization, adding links, making minor changes to the existing content on the page. You can even update the page, and if you go back to your posts and pages, you'll find that it does not change. It's not showing as a Gutenberg page because you haven't actually transitioned it to using blocks yet. Once you get to the point of needing to make significant changes to your poster page, those include things like adding new images, reorganizing the page or changing the order of the content, or adding new content, you'll have to start to transition to blocks. The way to do that is to select your block, just click in it, and then look for the three dots on the far right hand side for the More Options button. And here in this menu you'll find an option for Convert to Blocks. Gutenberg is going to take your existing content and transition it into the blocks that it should automatically be in, where each paragraph is in its own paragraph block, headings have their own block, and lists have their own block. Gutenberg will take care of which blocks make sense for the content that you have. If there are things that it doesn't traditionally recognize, it will pop up some options for you to continue to use the classic editor or to force transition into another block. We'll talk more about what that process looks like later. At this point, you can begin to add new blocks, insert content, or reorganize it as you need to. And at this point, if we update the page, you'll find that it is listed as a quote-unquote Gutenberg page in your list of posts and pages.